Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the chat assistant in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And in this page you should scroll all the way down and in the about section you should select the second option, which is support. Now you should wait a little bit. And once you are in the support page, you can just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a chat symbol. Just press on it and here you will be able to get in contact with the BitVavo's digital assistant. And in order to help you, you can see there that you first need to provide your email address to the assistant. You can just write it down here, down below, and just send it. And after that you can just answer basically the question that it has asked you, and from there on you can just proceed basically with your problem and write anything that you want to it, and more than likely it's going to be able to help you. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.